This is a message to those who are seriously considering committing suicide. Those who are feeling not wanting to live any longer. I might be sharing just a tiny little of what you are going through. You must be facing never go away despair, day in and day out. In case it is a pain on yourself, it might ease little by little as time goes by. But in case it comes from losing someone special, your gut-wrenching agony might be deteriorating year by year due to your guilty feelings. I know in fact that your pain will never go away completely. And technically, the only thing you could do is to find a substitute. If it is a scar on yourself, you find something more important than yourself and live for it. Considering yourself just as being a disposable tool for it. It could be something other than for people, in case the scar was caused by other people. In case it is a pain that comes from losing someone special. All you could do is to find something that you believe could certainly make him happy or make her feel proud of you if they were alive. In the face of unchangeable despair or loss, all we could do is to find the best substitute, hoping somehow or some way it could ease our pain. But remember, even if you do not end your life on your own, it will end sooner than you think. We all live only a short while. And in that short while, we all have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Or so I was told. I was also told that your special someone is still alive in your mind up until the very last moment that you will lose your consciousness. Please hang in there.